Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to install the magic mirror like I have already installed, and right now you see this is the screen. This is basically our magic mirror. As you can see, there is the time, there is the date, okay, and also I have enabled inside this magic mirror the Alexa, okay. So if I just call the hot word like Alexa, I just want to show you. As you can see, what is today, Alexa?
This might answer your question. It's Wednesday, August 18, 2021.
As you can see friends, so I have also enabled the Alexa in our Raspberry Pi 4 mirror, magic mirror. So how to do this, all these things we will see in this video. So just let's start. So friends, this is what completely fresh installation of Raspbian OS. Okay, now first thing first we need to update and upgrade the packages. So simply we are going to open the terminal and we are going to run the command sudo apt update, then and sudo apt upgrade space -y and just hit enter. It will update the repositories, also it will upgrade the packages. I have already updated and upgraded the packages, so I am going to simple make a Ctrl+C for cancel the process. So first you need to update and upgrade the packages. So this is what the command sudo space apt update and sudo apt upgrade space -y, and it will update and upgrade the packages. That's it. Now what we want to do, simply we want to first configure the magic mirror on our Raspberry Pi 4. So open the web browser. I will mention the link of the repository. This is what the link of the repository. So the name of the repository is what, magic mirror Alexa. This is what the repository. We need to simply clone the repository, and inside that we have two bash script, and one is the text file which basically guide us how to use these two scripts. Simply we need to clone the repository. So go to the code, copy the link, minimize the browser, and we are going to clone the repository inside the download folder. So simply we need to go the download folder. So cd downloads, hit enter, clear the screen, and we are going to run the command sudo git clone and paste that link and hit enter. It will download our repository folder, magic mirror Alexa. Now if I run the ls command, as you can see we have our magic mirror Alexa folder. Clear the screen, cd magic mirror. We are now inside our magic mirror folder, and this is what our text file. We need to move this text file on our desktop because it is really easy to read what we want to do. So simply we are going to move the text file, which is magic mirror, sudo mv magic mirror /home/pi /home/pi and /desktop, and just hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully moved our file, our text file, on our desktop. So this is what our text file. Now what we want to do, we want to simply give the full permission for our bash script. So sudo chmod 775 and install 1.sh and install 2.sh and just hit enter. As you can see, we have now the two files with green color, means we have successfully give the full permission for our bash scripts. Now we want to move these two bash script inside our /home and /pi folder. So simply sudo mv install 1.sh and install 2.sh. Where we want to move, just minute, I just want to make maximize the terminal. As you can see, the command is what, sudo space mv space, this is what our first script, space, this is what our second script, then space, we are going to move inside /home/pi. So mention /home/pi and just hit enter. Now if I run the ls command, there is nothing because we already move our text file on desktop and we move our bash scripts inside /home/pi. Now simply come out from the magic mirror folder and clear the screen. Now we are inside the /home/pi. As you can see, if I run the pwd command, we are now inside /home/pi, where we have our install 1.sh and install 2.sh. Clear the screen, and if I open our text file, simply first we need to run our first script without sudo. Okay, so we are going to run our first script /install 1.sh without sudo command, and I'm going to open here a second terminal, new tab, and if I run the ls command, right now there is no magic mirror folder available. As you can see, there is no magic mirror folder available. As soon as I have run install 1.sh, it will create the magic mirror folder, and inside that we have our all the magic mirror module related files and settings folders. Okay, so simply we are going to run our first script without sudo command. Remember one thing, without sudo. We need to run the bash script, this first bash script, as a normal user. So without sudo, simply hit enter, and as you can see, the magic mirror it just started to installing the magic mirror. Okay, so let's just complete our process. So friends, here as you can see, meanwhile installation, it asks us to a question: do you want to use a PM2 for auto starting of your magic mirror? If you want to start the magic mirror automatic, simply click on yes. If you don't want to start a magic mirror automatic, simply press the N. As you can see, the option is says here Y and N. I want to start magic mirror automatic, so I am going to press Y and just hit enter. And friends, as you can see, we have successfully configured our magic mirror. As you can see, simply this is what the magic mirror screen. We just want to come out from the magic mirror, so press Ctrl+M and it will exit with our magic mirror. Now as you can see, do you want to disable the screensaver? Simply press Y and hit enter, and that's it friends. We have successfully configured our magic mirror on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so how to start magic mirror? Simply again we need to open our notepad, and as you can see, the second command, this is what the command for starting magic mirror. Copy it, command, open terminal, and we need to go inside our magic mirror folder. So if I run the ls command, as I told you, now we have, as you can see, our magic mirror folder is inside the /home/pi. So we need to go always inside the magic mirror folder. So go magic mirror folder, and here we are going to copy and paste our command. This command is basically for starting the magic mirror. So copy the command, minimize the text document, paste, and just hit enter. Remember one thing, this command is also we want to run without sudo. Okay, run without sudo, and as you can see, our magic mirror is started. That's it. So we have installed our magic mirror. Now we are going to install the Alexa on our magic mirror. So simply again press Ctrl+M for the exit, clear the screen. Now we are ready, and again we are going to move on our text document, and here it is what say we need to run our second script, because the third option. So third option is what? Install 2.sh. So again this command, this script also we need to run without the sudo. So ls, as you can see, we have our install 2.sh. Simply run install 2.sh and just hit enter. Okay, so friends, now as you can see, we have completed our setup. Now from here we need to simply mention basically Alexa voice services client ID. So we need to go on our Amazon Alexa developer site, and we are going to create our product. So simply I have mentioned the link inside the notepad, the fourth number. As you can see, this is what our link. for developer.amazon.com. Simply copy it, open the browser, and we need to simply paste the link, and then we are going to sign in with our ID. Okay, so you need to sign in with your ID. Just copy and paste the link, and it will ask us to sign in. Okay, so simply we are going to sign in. So I have already signed in, that's why as you can see I am logging with my account. Okay, so simply you need to sign in with your account. Okay, then you need to go here, the manage your products. Okay, and inside manage your products we are going to create our new product. So simply as you can see I have already one product, so we are going to create a new product for this session. Add new product, and here we need to mention simple a product name. So I am going to mention like this way, ARPAI4 underscore magic mirror. Okay, ARPAI underscore magic mirror, this is what our product name, and same we are going to mention as our product ID. So copy it and paste here. Okay, so ARPAI4 magic mirror is our product name, also ARPAI4 magic mirror is our product ID. Simple. Then here we are going to select a device with Alexa built-in. So select it, device with Alexa built-in. Then product category we are going to select a smart home. So select a smart home. Then we are going to set a description like this way. You can mention any description. I am going to mention like this way. This is for ARPAI4 magic mirror. Okay, magic mirror. Simple. Now simply will your device use a companion app? No, so we are going to select no here. Here we are going to select hands free and far field. If you have any image for your magic mirror, you can of course select the image for here. You can set the image for here. As you can see, manage your content and device, and you need to simply upload your photo from your local computer drive, and then you need to set that image here. Okay, simple. So we are not going to set here any image. So will your device be used for Alexa for business? So no, again here no and no. That's it. Now simply click on next. And as you can see here, now we need to create a security profile. So simply create a new profile, and here as you can see security profile name, simply we need to mention a same name. So we are going to mention like this way, ARPAI4 magic, which we have already set as our product ID and name. So ARPAI4 magic mirror, and here also we are going to mention security profile description. So like this way, this is for ARPAI4 magic mirror. That's it. Click on next. So friends, right now as you can see we have here our client ID and client secret. Okay, so now just scroll down here, we need to set with the web. Okay, as you can see I have now right inside the web. Okay, so this is what look like the page. As you can see here, you need to simply scroll down the web, and here it is what our client ID, client secret, and allow origins and allow return URLs. We need to set a URL, so that URL also I have mentioned inside the notepad. As you can see, the 5th number URL. So we are going to set this URL. Simply copy the URL, open the developer.amazon.com page where we have our client ID and client secret. Simply paste that link here, paste, click on add, then allow return URL. Inside that we need to also paste same link. Okay, as you can see these two links are both same. Simply click on add, and then scroll down, click on I agree, and click on finish. And that's it. As you can see, your product has been created. So we have successfully created our product. Click on OK. Now as you can see, we have our ARPAI4 magic mirror product is ready. Okay friends. So friends, we have done with creating the product. Now we are going to simply click on our product, click here, and we are going to use our client ID and client secret. So open the terminal where we have, as you can see, enter your client ID from Alexa voice services. So open the dashboard and simply copy the client ID, open terminal, paste, hit enter, then enter your client secret, open the dashboard, copy the client secret, open terminal, paste, hit enter, then enter your product ID from Alexa voice services. So what is our product ID? So our product IDs, as you can see, which we have created, archive4 underscore magic mirror. In your case, of course, it will be different. Okay, so simply you need to mention your product ID. I am going to mention mine. So paste and enter your redirect URL. So in this option, we need to mention the same URL. As you can see, the 4th number URL we need to mention. No, sorry friends, we need to mention the 5th number URL. This is just our developer.amazon.com website URL. We need to mention the URL which we want to allow with voice services. So 5th number URL we need to mention here. So simply copy the 5th number URL, copy it, open the terminal and paste over here, where enter your redirect URL, allow return URL. So we need to copy the 5th number URL and paste here and simply hit enter. So now what we want to do, friends, we want to simply copy this full URL starting from the HTTPS and end with auth response. So copy the full URL. You need to remember one thing, you need to copy this URL full from starting from the HTTPS to end with the auth response. Okay, so copy the full URL and open the browser, and you need to paste that full URL inside the browser, as you can see, and just hit enter. It will open welcome to Alexa page. Okay, here it is, as you can see, and here we need to click on the continue. Then as you can see, we need to sign in here. So mention your email or mobile phone number, whatever you have. Okay, so then we need to mention the password. Click on sign in. Then click on allow. And that's it, we have done with the setup. Now if you see here, as you can see, enter your authorization code from previous steps. So what we want to do, again, simply open the browser, and here you will see the code is equal to, this is what our code, starting from the is equal to end with and. So we need the code after the is equal to and before the and. Okay, so we need this only code. As you can see, the after the is equal to and before the and, simply copy it. Okay, as you can see, I am again explain you, we need the code for starting with the capital A. In your case, of course, it may be different, but remember one thing, after is equal to and before the and. This is what our code, after is equal to and before the and. Copy the code and just paste over here, paste it and just hit enter. As you can see, do you wish to continue to generate the magic mirror config? Yes, so press Y, capital Y, shift plus Y, capital Y, hit enter. And what do you want to your wake up word? So of course we are going to set a default. So Alexa, simply we need to press here enter. Do you want to use light mode? No, so press shift plus N for no, hit enter. Do you want to use a visualization? So simply we don't want to use a visualization, so simply press here a small n, means as you can see here we need to press the small n, so simply press the n and hit enter. That's it, we are ready basically, and this is what our module which we need to paste inside the magic mirror config.json file. Okay, so friends, now what we want to do, we want to simply copy the code from here. As you can see, start from this curly braces, so copy it, and like this way, start from this curly braces to this. Okay, so copy it like this way, copy, and we need to go inside the file manager. So open the file manager, magic mirror folder, config folder, and inside that, as you can see, we have here our config.js file. Simply we need to right click and we are going to open with the text editor, or you can open with the programming and from here Jenny programmers editor. Okay, so simply click on here. Okay, and then we need to go, as you can see, I have already opened the file, but I am going to show you how to open this. Simply go to the file, click on open, then we are going to go inside the home, and here we have our magic mirror folder, magic mirror, then config folder, and here we have our config.js file. So simply click on open, and it will open the config.js file inside the inside our editor. Okay, that's it. Simply we need to scroll down. As you can see, here we have already some default modules available. Simply scroll down, and here, as you can see, I am going to paste which we have copy our module from our terminal. Okay, so we need to paste this all which we have copy, we need to paste over here. So simply, as you can see, the curly braces with the comma, simply you need to hit enter here. Simply press enter, make a space, as you can see, and here we need to simply paste what we have copied. Simply paste. As you can see, we have copied, and we need to make a descent in line all the code like all by default. Okay, so simply we are going to make in line. So module come here, as you can see, the module is here, then position also here, then config, then our wake word, then client ID, then client secret, then the device ID, refresh token, the light, and the last. Okay, like this way. And then, as you can see here, these curly braces we need to mention like this way. Okay, so just move it and set here. As you can see, in this module, these curly braces is here, so simply we need to mention in line. Okay, like this way, just check it. This one is here, and we have also mentioned here. That's it. Now then, simply press enter and come to the here and curly braces and the comma. Okay, like this way, like this way. Okay, in line, check it. Okay, so this is how we need to mention our module inside config.js file. You need to check all these things where we have where we want to mention the curly braces and where we want to mention curly braces with the comma. As you can see, okay, check, because we have here already default module. You need to simply check how it's mentioned. Okay, these curly braces, and these curly braces with the comma, like this way. Okay, then simply we need to save it, then close. Okay, and now we are ready. And if we start our magic mirror, if there is no error, it means we have successfully mentioned our code. There is no error inside the config.js file. So we are going to first test. So simply we are going to go inside our magic mirror folder, and we are going to run our command. So what is the command? Command is this. As you can see, pm to start magic mirror. Simply copy it, open terminal, and paste and just hit enter. And as you can see, we have basically successfully start our magic mirrors, means we don't have any error now. But Alexa is not working because we need to restart our Raspberry Pi 4. So we are going to restart our Raspberry Pi 4. So from here, if we want to come out from the magic mirror, simply we need to press Ctrl plus M. So we are going to press Ctrl plus M, M for magic or M for the mirror. So Ctrl plus M from the keyboard, and we will just come out from our magic mirror. So now we need to restart our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to see if our Alexa is work, or if our Alexa is working with our magic mirror, yes or no. Okay, so simply we need to restart our Raspberry Pi 4. So friends, I have just rebooted the Raspberry Pi 4. Now what we want to do, we want to first check our microphone is working or not. If the microphone is not working, the Alexa will not work. Okay, so simply we need to go here, open the terminal, and we need to run the command sudo alsa mixer, hit enter, and then you will see we need to press the F6 for select sound card. So simply press F6, and if you see the USB PNP sound device, it means we have connect USB microphone with our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so simply check it if their USB PNP sound device is enable or not. Okay, that's it. Simply press escape. Then we need to press the F4 for capture. Okay, because we are going to capture using our microphone. So press the F4 and check our volume is up or not, means you need to maximize your capture volume. So simply we need to press the up arrow key from our keyboard for maximize. If you want to minimize, of course we need to press down arrow key from the keyboard. As you can see right now, I am pressing the down arrow key, so number is going down. It's now 56. If you want to, of course, increase the volume of the capture, simply you need to press up arrow key. As you can see, I am right now pressing the up arrow key, and the volume is increasing. It's now 79. So check out these basic things, and simply we need to press the escape. Now we are ready, and we are going to move inside our magic folder. So CD capital M magic mirror, and hit enter and clear the screen. And now again we need to run our command for starting the magic mirror. So this is what our command. Copy it and paste and just hit enter. And just one more thing, we need to make the maximize volume of our audio output. So this is what our magic mirror. Let's just check with Alexa, what is today?
It's Wednesday, August 18th.
As you can see friends, Alexa, what is weather? Alexa, what is weather?
Right now in Dombivli, Maharashtra, it's 26 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has thunderstorms, with a high of 26 degrees and a low of 24 degrees.
So friends, as you can see, this is how we can set up the Alexa with our magic mirror. So I am going to press Ctrl plus M for cancel. So this is the way friends, we have successfully installed the magic mirror, and we have successfully installed the Alexa on magic mirror using a third party repositories, or you can say the third party modules. I hope you will learn something from this video. In next video we are going to see how to set the wallpapers for our magic mirror, because right now it's a basically black background, and in next video we are going to see how to set the wallpapers using Unsplash. Okay, so Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.